In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange products in your Wix store, ensuring your online shop looks just the way you want it. Whether you want to highlight new arrivals or create a logical flow for your product categories, rearranging products is quick and straightforward on the Wix platform. Let's start by navigating to the Wix site. First, make sure you're signed into your Wix account and head over to the Wix dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your site, from design to content to store settings, so it's a good idea to become familiar with this area. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll find a section labeled Catalog. Go ahead and click on that. This brings you to a page where you can view all the products you're offering. The Catalog section is essentially the inventory manager of your store. It's where you can see everything available for purchase, edit product details, update prices, and of course, rearrange your products. Now, direct your attention to the Categories tab within the Catalog section. By clicking on Categories, you can organize your products into different sections, making it far easier for customers to browse through what you have on offer. Organizing your products into categories not only enhances the shopping experience, but also helps in managing your product lineup efficiently. After you've clicked on Categories, take a moment to select the category you wish to rearrange your products in. To do this, just click on the name or the folder of the category you're interested in. It's worth noting that thoughtful category management can significantly improve your store's searchability. Variably, you might have categories like new arrivals, men's clothing, or seasonal favorites, each serving as a hub for specific customer interests. Within the category, you will see all the products listed. To rearrange these products, choose one product that you'd like to move. Click and hold that product and then simply drag it to the position you desire. This drag and drop functionality is very user-friendly, making reordering as easy as rearranging items on a virtual shelf. Once you've arranged the products just the way you want, remember to save your changes. Look out for the Save button, usually located somewhere on the page, and give it a click. You don't want all your hard work to go to waste, and saving ensures the changes are now live on your store. It's always a good practice to review the changes on your website to ensure everything looks just right. And that's it. By utilizing these steps, you're now equipped to configure your Wix store to better attract and engage your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.